Of the Canton DM50 sound base, which is sitting under a Samsung 40-inch TV there. So this is the Canton DM50, quick product demonstration so you can hear the difference between the sound base and the normal TV volume. So this is obviously Star Wars. Let's play. Now this is with the normal standard TV volume, and let's hear it with the Canton. Put that on mute. You can really feel the bass from those explosions. And the Canton, this is at 2/3 of the volume, so turning it up, really notice the difference when you start to turn it up to 80. It does sound like a cinema. And this is with the TV. And this is with the Canton. It's a huge difference. Let's try it again. So that's without the Canton, and you'll probably hear it. And this is with the Canton. You really hear those explosions. So that's hopefully a good demonstration for you if you're interested in getting the Canton DM50. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. You can plug your DVD straight into the back of it, and you can play music from a CD player. A CD, if you want to put the CDs into the DVD player or Blu-ray player, you can play it from there. Or otherwise you can plug in a 3.5mm jack phono cable into the back, and you can plug in your iPod or any other audio device, which that's what I've done there. iPod Classic going in there. So yeah, the sound is great. It's really well worthwhile getting. Much better than the sound bars that sit in front of the television that I reviewed. So yeah, well worth getting. If you see the DM75, which, as you can see from the base of the Samsung 40-inch, the DM50 doesn't quite fit neatly underneath the base holding the TV up. But if you get the DM75, that's wider, and that would look aesthetically better sitting under the Samsung TV there, especially if you've got a 40-inch or bigger with a stand like that. So yeah, highly recommended. Definitely made a massive improvement to the audio experience of watching films. So well worthwhile getting.